Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. This is the pre-final at Dallas Karting Complex in the heavies class in rental league racing. I am starting second next to Mr. Fish, and I got Chance in my headset. What's up, Chance?
Howdy, howdy.
We are communicating. All right, no more warming up the tires. Let Tommy bring us down. Controls the start. Got a little smidge in my helmet on my visor.
We are all very tight.
All right, in the lead.
Think of those team orders he gave you.
Yeah, he listened. What place are you in, you think?
6.
What?
6.
A little dust, somebody went off. Uh-oh, got a bump. Really wide, Sosa right behind me. I can tell by lack of whip in that chicane, this kart's not particularly fast. Not as fast as the one in qualifying. Plus, I'm getting some bumps from Sosa. So, let's just line up and try to pull away. If he passes me, he passes me. I'm not going to slow down to race him. A little wide there. Really choked up on this corner. He's going. Give him the room. Sosa didn't get me room there. I need a little bit. Holy smokes, what is this? Hey, Chance, how's it going?
Hey, buddy.
So that is Chance. I'm talking to him right in front of me. How about a little wave, Chance? There you go. That's proof that he's right in front of me. So what's the strategy, Chance?
Well, if you're gonna get on my tail, we're gonna bump you out to the front.
I don't think I have enough motor, but we'll see. I've got about
30 is fast, like you said.
Yeah, it is. Nice. 3 wide. I got a perfect view of this. Back off just a hair. That's me right behind you. Right behind you, Chance.
Let's bump draft down in front of him.
You got it. You slid out, I'm gonna give you a bump. Nope, you got more motor than I do, man. Oh, come on, Tommy, give me some room. Almost gotten you a chance. A let him slot in here. I'm gonna bump drive to try to keep up with you two guys. I was in cart 30, the one in front of me, in qualifying, and that's a good cart. Mine handles okay, but just doesn't have a lot of motor on the straightaway as much as these guys in front. There goes Chance for the move.
Sorry. Birdie again, huh?
Gotta line up with Tommy. A little early there on the turn. It's a 5-cart breakaway. Chance is in the lead. By the way, Chance is our points leader for the championship series.
Do we know that? I haven't seen updated points.
You are. You know you are. Hey, who beat you by 3 points the last time in the championship? Last year?
I think that was you.
Oh, yeah, okay. I forgot, but thanks for reminding me.
No problem, buddy.
Last year was last year, though. That doesn't mean anything right now. It makes me feel good, though.
Am I breaking away or are they still on my ass?
Hold on, busy. You got about 2 cart lengths. Cart and a half. We're right on you, man.
Yeah, I messed up that turn.
You got a train of 5. Can I catch this draft? No, dude. 23. Sosa, stay in line.
Is Tommy still with you?
No, he's ahead of me. He's in 4th. So it's you, about 2 cart lengths, and then Sosa and Tommy in 3 and 4, nose to tail, and then me about 5 cart lengths behind. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to catch them. If we had more turns, I might be able to. I heard excessive screeching, Chance.
Yeah, front tire's giving out.
Come into the pit. Bucks, Bucks, Bucks. Let's see. Yeah, you're pulling away, man.
Number 8, good cart.
Yeah. We know it's not the driver.
Not at all.
Not at all. By the way, Chance is 1 in lights as well. So you're definitely, if you get a good car, you're pretty much good to go. Hey, where'd you start?
6th.
So yeah, I mean, that was a good, you're having a good race. I mean, you came up, man, you guys really freight trained by us on that straightaway. Holy smokes.
You guys are battling. We had a really good run.
If I'd have known that was going on, I'd have went defensive. But you'd have just passed me on the outside. If I can hold down 5th place, that's not a bad place to start.
White flag, white flag.
Well, viewers, sometimes the racing is really cool, sometimes it's quite boring. Okay, Tommy's going for 3rd. Maybe they'll get into each other and illegal alien racing will sneak in and steal a spot. And if I steal a spot, you'll get a new kart sticker kit courtesy of Pride Racing and Chance.
Hell yeah.
He said it. He said, hell yeah. So that's a good to go.
Go to getpride.com.
Looks like Tommy's going to finish in 4th. I got him 5th. Congratulations, Chance, on your pre-final win.
Thank you, sir.
Tommy with the move. Ah, that wasn't a block move. All right, guys, that's the race. Check out the pre-final or the final coming up later on. Thanks again, everyone, for watching, and I will see y'all next time.